And we are going now to hear something from Alicia. You tell us more about yourself and how you joined the program and how you knew about the program. Then later on, we'll move on to Pedro. So thank you so much, guys, and you're very welcome. And for the viewers, feel free to leave your comments here, share our videos, and then you're welcome to watch, as I say, today, tomorrow, next week. So welcome, everyone, and we love you so much for coming.
Hello, my name is Alicia O'Keary. My husband found out about the school from watching your channel, Janet. I wanted to get into IT, but I was a bit afraid of it. I come from accounts payable, and at that job, I was working two jobs trying to make ends, at least try to see each other. So the money wasn't really nice. I didn't have much experience with software, so I joined in with the data analytics portion. So I learned machine learning, I learned SQL, Tableau, Python, which is my favorite, by the way. I like Python more than anything else. We did Excel. Um, what else can I say about that? I also am now inside of the data engineering course. Um, the class that I took, it did take me a very long way from where I started from. The money is very good. I cannot complain about the money at all. I do less work, but I get paid more money, so that's always a plus. Um, I will say that the things that I learned, the school is very productive. You do get resume writing, you do get training for interviews. Everything that you need to know to get your career started, you do learn it in the class. Although it's a boot camp, they don't skip and give you small itty bitty pieces of details. You do go into it. I mean, you have to actually put in forth the effort. So you need to do your homework. You need to study, because if you learn it and you don't apply it, then you will lose it. Um, I will say that I believe in the school so much that I did re-enroll, and I went into the data engineering with Azure. So I'm learning how to maintain pipelines and how to analyze real-time data. So that is also a plus, because we're dealing with Azure in the clouds, data bricks and things like that. So that's also nice. I am a U.S. Army veteran, so that does open some doors for me. And with that, and then you put on top of, I can do X, Y, and Z. I can do Altrix. I can do Tableau. I know how to do analyzing with big data, not just small data. So I know how to clean data. I can manipulate it. I can transform it. You learn all those things in your data analytics class, and the teachers are very nice. You can reach out to the teachers if you get stuck on anything. They're always there to help. You have your classmates you can reach out to and also get help. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. I mean, you just have to apply yourself. If you want it, you have to go out there and get it. It's not going to fall in your lap. They will give you the tools and the resources, but you have to hit the ground running. This is an investment in yourself. So you have to take initiative. They can lead you there, but you have to hit the ground running for yourself. No one can babysit you, if that makes sense.
Alicia, some people, when they hear this course, they are kind of scared because they hear smart data, they hear science, they hear technology. So these are big words, like, Python, to you, this is normal, but to some of us, probably it sounds complicated. So maybe can you share with us your background? Were you this like very good science student in high school and you are just A plus material? And so it was very easy for you, or you think anyone can enroll in this class and see success?
No, anyone can enroll in this class and seek success. I mean, anyone can do it. And the reason I keep saying if I can do it, anyone can do it, because I am not the smartest, brightest person in the batch. I mean, I just have to study harder than my counterparts. Some things is repetition for me. I have to do it consistently over and over to get things to stick. So my memory is not as sharp as everyone else's, But with smart data learning, they don't just flood you with knowledge, they build on top of the knowledge. So you get a steady foundation. It's sturdy before they just slam you with more things. So you start here and they layer it. So you're not forgetting what you're learning, you're building on it. So when I got into this class, I was afraid of coding. I mean, I was not a tech person. Yeah, I could do a little bit of Excel because I was doing accounts payable, but not to the extent to where I can run a Power Query, do a VLOOKUP, or do pivot tables. Those type of things were given to me already made. Now I can do those myself. I know that I can do a join in Excel. I know I can do aggregates in Excel. So those are things that you will learn in the class. So it's not, I'm not going to tell you it's like a walk in the park. You have to apply yourself just like with any other schooling. But the tools are there. If you want something, you will work to get it. I mean, they're handing you the tools, but you have to make an effort to reach and get those tools and use them. So you have to put forth the effort. The knowledge is there, the teachers are there. Anything you need to know, you can get it from the teachers, and you have to take your project seriously. And just because it's a boot camp and it's remote doesn't mean you should slack off. I mean, you have to invest in your knowledge. You have to.